Hi students, now we are doing one more problem in linear algebra. Our question is prove that these vectors are linearly dependent and also find the relation connecting them. First we have to prove that these three vectors are linearly dependent. Then definitely there will be a relation connecting them. Then we have to find a relation connecting them. If these vectors are linearly independent, then there is no relation connecting them. Here first take as x1 equal to 1, 2, 1. First vector as x1. Second vector as x2. 2, 1, 4. Third vector as x3, which is 4, 5, 6. Then write it in the matrix form. That is matrix A equal to first vector as first row. 1, 2, 1, which is x1. Then second vector as second row. That is 2, 1, 4, which is x2. Now write third vector as third row. 4, 5, 6, which is x3. Now we have to reduce this vector into row reduced echelon form. Hence we have to find the rank of the matrix. For this, the first element in first row, first element is 1. Then we have to change this 2 into 0. How we can change this 2 into 0? That is here equivalent to, here first row is fixed. That is 1, 2, 1 is a fixed row. Then x2 changes. x2 which is second row. Second row is changes. That is x2 dash. x2 changes to x2 dash equal to x2 minus 2x1. x2 minus 2x1. x2 minus 2x1. Therefore 0, 1 minus 4 which is minus 3, 4 minus 2 which is 2. Now we have to change this 4 into 0. That is x3 changes. x3 changes to x3 dash. x3 dash equal to x3 minus 4 times x1. x3 changes to x3 dash. x3 dash equal to x3 minus 4 times x1. 4 times x1, which is 4 minus 4 times 1, 0. 5 minus 4 times 2, that is 5 minus 8, which is minus 3. Then 6 minus 4, that is 2. Now we have to change this minus 3 as 1. That is equivalent to first row is fixed, which is 1, 2, 1 is a fixed row. Then we are changing x2 dash. Second row. x2 dash changes to x2 double dash. x2 dash changes to x2 double dash equal to, here x2 dash changes to x2 double dash equal to x2 dash by minus 3. x2 dash by minus 3. That is 0, 1, minus 2 by 3. Then third row 0, minus 3, 2. Now we have to reduce this minus 3 into 0. For this is equivalent to, here first two rows becomes fixed. Therefore 1, 2, 1. Second row 0, 1, minus 2 by 3. Now we have to change this minus 3 into 0 by comparing it with the second row. That is here x3 changes. x3 changes to x3 dash. Here x3 dash. Here x3 first changes to x3 dash. Now we are changing x3 dash into x3 double dash. First x3 changes to x3 dash. Now we are changing x3 dash into x3 double dash. x3 double dash equal to x3 dash plus 3 times x2 double dash. Here x3 dash plus 3 times x2 double dash. That is 0, 0, 0. One row reduces to 0. Now we have to find the rank of A. What is rank of A? rank of A equal to 2. But the number of vectors 3. Here the rank of vectors not equal to number of vectors. Therefore, these 3 vectors are linearly dependent. Here rank of A not equal to number of vectors. Therefore, these vectors are linearly dependent. Here rank of A equal to 2, number of vectors 3. Therefore, rank of A not equal to number of vectors. Therefore, these 3 vectors are linearly dependent. Then there should be a relation connecting them. Now we have to find the relation connecting them. How we can find the relation connecting them? Here x3 double dash becomes 0. Third row 0. That is x3 double dash becomes 0. Starting from there, x3 double dash equal to 0. That is third row reduces to 0. That is x3 double dash equal to 0. What is x3 double dash? x3 double dash is x3 dash plus 3x2 double dash. x3 dash plus 3x2 double dash equal to 0. x3 dash plus 3x2 double dash equal to 0. Then what is x3 dash? x3 dash is x3 minus 4x1. x3 dash is x3 minus 4x1 plus 3 times. What about x2 double dash? x2 double dash is x2 dash by minus 3. x2 dash by minus 3 equal to 0. Here this 3 will be get cancelled. Then we get as x3 minus 4x1 plus x2 dash equal to 0. Now we have to convert this x2 dash. What is x2 dash? x2 dash equal to x2 minus 2x1. That is x3 minus 4x1 plus x2 dash is x2 minus 2x1 equal to 0. Now all changes to x1, x2 and x3. It is x3 minus, here it is minus x2 dash, minus x2 dash, that is minus of x2 dash is x2 minus 2x1, that is x3 minus 4x1 minus x2 plus 2x1 equal to 0, that is x3 minus 2x1 minus x2 equal to 0, which is the relation connecting between these 3 vectors. That is x3 minus 2 x1 minus x2 equal to 0 is the relation connecting between the vectors x1, x2 and x3. Okay. Hi. Now our second question is prove that these vectors are linearly dependent and also find a relation connecting them. First we have to prove that these 3 vectors are linearly dependent. Then definitely there should be a relation connecting them. Now we have to find a relation connecting them. For this, take x1 equal to first vector, which is 2, minus 1, 3, 2. x2 equal to second vector, 1, 3, 4, 2. x3 equal to third vector, 3, minus 5, 2, 2. Then form it as a matrix form. That is matrix A equal to, write first vector as first row. That is 2, minus 1, 3, 2. Then second vector as second row. 1, 3, 4, 2. Then third vector as third row. 3, minus 5, 2, 2. Now we have to reduce this into row reduced echelon form. And we have to find the rank of the matrix. For reducing it into row reduced echelon form, first changes these 3 rows. That is, this is first vector x1, second vector x2, third vector x3. Now, equivalent to x1 changes. x1 changes to x1 dash. x1 dash is x2. Also x2 changes, that is x2 dash is x1. Here write as x1 changes to x2 dash. x1 changes to x1 dash. x1 dash is x2. That is 1, 3, 4, 2 as first row. Then x2 changes to x2 dash. x2 dash equal to x1. Therefore write the first vector in the second row. 2 minus 1, 3, 2. Then write the third row. 3 minus 5, 2, 2. Now we have to reduce this 2 into 0. That is equivalent to first row is fixed. 1, 3, 4, 2 is a fixed row. Here x2 dash changes. Second row x2 dash changes. x2 dash changes to x2 double dash. x2 dash changes to x2 double dash equal to x2 dash changes to x2 double dash equal to x2 dash minus 2 times x1 dash. 2 times x1 dash, that is 0, minus 1, minus 6, minus 7, 3 minus 8, which is minus 5, then 2 minus 4, which is minus 2. Now we have to reduce this third row, which is x3. x3 changes to x3 dash. x3 changes to x3 dash. Now we have to change the third row, that is x3. x3 changes to x3 dash. Here we have to change this 3 into 0. Our operation is x3 dash equal to x3 minus 3 times x1 dash. 3 times x1 dash. Here x3 changes to x3 dash. x3 dash equal to x3 minus 3 times x1 dash. That is 3 minus 3 times 0, minus 5 minus 9, minus 14, then 2 minus 12, minus 10, then 2 minus 6, minus 4. Now we have to reduce this minus 14 into 0. How we have to reduce this minus 14 into 0? Which is equivalent to, here first 2 rows becomes fixed. That is 1, 3, 4, 2. And 0, minus 7, minus 5, minus 4. Now third row changes to, that is x3 dash changes to x3 double dash. Here third row changes, that is x3 dash changes to x3 double dash equal to x3 dash minus 2 times x2 double dash. x3 dash minus 2 times x2 double dash. Therefore the third row becomes 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we have to find the rank of the matrix. Rank of A equal to 2. But number of vectors are 3. Number of vectors 3. Here rank of A not equal to number of vectors. Therefore these three vectors are linearly dependent. Here rank of A not equal to number of vectors. Therefore these vectors are linearly dependent. Here rank of A not equal to number of vectors. Therefore these three vectors are linearly dependent. Now there should be a relation connecting them. If these vectors are linearly dependent, then there should be a relation connecting them. Now we have to find the relation connecting them. For this, starting from here third row reduces to 0. That is x3 double dash equal to 0. Starting from there, third row reduces to 0. That is x3 double dash equal to 0. What is x3 double dash? x3 double dash is x3 dash minus 2x2 double dash. x3 dash minus 2x2 double dash equal to 0. That is, what is x3 dash? x3 dash is x3 minus 3x1 dash. x3 dash is x3 minus 3x1 dash minus 2 times. x2 double dash is x2 dash minus 2x1 dash. x2 dash minus 2x1 dash equal to 0. Then x3 minus 3x1 dash minus 2x2 dash plus 4x1 dash equal to 0. That is x3 plus x1 dash minus 2x2 dash equal to 0. Now what is x1 dash? x1 dash is x2. That is x3 plus x2 minus 2 times. What is x2 dash? x2 dash is x1 equal to 0. Now we get a relation connecting these three vectors x1, x2 and x3. Our relation connecting between these three vectors is x3 plus x2 minus 2x1 equal to 0. Okay, thank you.